Hey, how's it going? Beautiful day out here today. And we were actually just thinking about this while we were walking. Imagine your most stressful day at work. I don't know what you do. Maybe you're a nurse. Maybe you work in finance. Maybe you're an attorney. I've seen this. My family members are nurses, friends are nurses. I've been in finance. I've been an attorney. I know how stressful life can get with your clients and with life and work. Now, imagine your favorite meal or your favorite experience with your family. Something that brings a smile to your face. Now, what better way to actually reverse the feelings of the negativity and the heartache and the stress and anxiety of your day-to-day job and the stresses life gives you, and actually replace that with that memory or that feeling of joy cooking with your family and eating a great meal. So one of the things I love to do when I get home, I love to actually go and look at some of the old recipes of things that I love, stews or, chili or, meatloaf or just soul foods, things that are comfort foods that help you relax. It might be pasta to you, it might be pizza, who knows what it is. But whatever it is, try to make it at home. Spend some time with your loved ones actually preparing it, because it's a lot more fun when you actually prepare it with somebody, because you're not just sitting there over the stove cooking, you're talking, you're tasting, or whatever it is. And so go and try to make something fun. It's a lot of fun to do, and then you're going to enjoy like 2, 3, 5, 8 meals of your favorite. I just made some chili and we're going to enjoy it. It's going to be like 15, 20 servings. So I'm going to be enjoying it for a month. So go out there, try something new, try something old that you love, and have some fun and enjoy it, relax and smile. So have a great day. What you could also do is watch this video we're about to show you, and I'll show you how I made my chili. It's something I love. It's a family recipe that I've kind of incorporated, and you add a little bit of your own flavors to it, your own new techniques, your own secret sauces maybe, and then just make whatever you love. So watch the video down below, like it, and hope you enjoy it.
been 8.5, 9 hours. Now we're opening the chili. The beef looks so tender. The smell and aroma is intoxicating. I was a little bit worried last night because it started to bubble over, and I had to take out some juice. That is a hearty, bold chili. We didn't add any barbecue sauce or anything like that, so it's not going to be very sugary. I like it to be more bold flavors than tangy and sweet. You can see it's got ground beef and steak. Final product, chili con carne. Little sour cream and cheddar. Wow.